Video, and it's about slime, but my sister isn't here, so we need to make her come. So ready, set, woo! She's here. Okay, so we're gonna be doing our slimes, which I'll go get them. Okay, our first one is the name is Sky, right? So I'm gonna be playing with Sky, and you're gonna be playing with Cloud. Okay. So
are we doing it in here?
No, because it's glitter. Okay. So this is Sky. Very good texture. We decided to name it Sky because
this is Cloud. Cloud Sky.
Cloud. Okay. How come it looks like a thing over here? Okay, but it's very stretchy.
Gotta hurry before my phone's about to die.
Yeah, okay, and then you can poke at it, and yeah, that's good. Show them yours. Show them that I can stretch, I can poke, I can do anything. And by the way, we're leaving these down in the description, so if you want one, comment. And like, and follow. I mean, Instagram.
And tell us in the comment below which slime do you like best, Cloud or Sky on round 1, right?
Yep. Round 2.
Okay.
One.
Can I do a Bloody Mary?
No, I won't do it.
Aw.
Okay, next is Bloody Mary and raspberry.
Yeah. It's like pinkish now. Pink now.
Okay, so this is right here is Bloody Mary, a very, very red slime. It's very red. You can poke at it. It's not hard, and it's fluffy. And then you can stretch.
Oh, dang. Getting stuck.
You can do this, and then yeah. So that's Bloody Mary.
Bianca.
If you wanna buy it, comment down below.
It's gonna be $10.
Yep.
Or 2.
One of those. When you stretch it out, it doesn't look like pink.
And sometimes they'll get stuck on you. Like this one, raspberry. Oh my!
Very red, so if you put
Oh, come on, Bianca.
And
I don't want to do this one. It's getting stuck all over me.
Okay. Okay, next.
What? What'd you do?
Next. We'll be back in 3, 2.
I don't remember the slime like this. Go.
What'd you do with the slime?
I didn't do anything.
What the heck? Why is it everywhere?
I did not do it.
Let's just look at the video.